Intro music fades in. Welcome back to our channel, Glamour Guru. You need to hear this if you're a beauty buff with hooded eyes. Have you ever felt like your hooded eyes are your makeup nemesis? Well, not anymore. Today I'm diving deep into the world of hooded eye makeup. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn. So let's get started and unlock the secrets to making those beautiful eyes of yours truly stand out. In just 3 minutes, you'll go from novice to pro. Let's kick those makeup struggles to the curb. Hooded eyes can be a bit of a challenge, but with the right techniques, you can create stunning looks that enhance your natural beauty. Ready to transform your makeup game? Let's dive in. Now, hooded eyes are beautiful, but they can be tricky. The key? It's all about technique and knowing a few game-changing tricks. Understanding the unique structure of hooded eyes is crucial. The extra layer of skin can sometimes make your eyeshadow disappear when your eyes are open. But don't worry, we've got you covered. First things first, primer is your best friend. Seriously, don't skip this step. A good primer creates a smooth base for your eyeshadow, ensuring it stays put all day long. A good eye primer will keep your shadow in place all day, preventing that dreaded crease action we all hate. It also helps to intensify the color of your eyeshadow, making your eyes pop even more. So always start with a primer to set the stage for your masterpiece. Now onto shadows. With hooded eyes, it's all about creating an illusion. You want to make your eyes appear larger and more open. You want to apply a light shimmery shadow on the lid. This draws light to the area, making your eyes pop. Light shades reflect light, giving the illusion of a more open and awake eye. Then use a darker shade to contour the crease. Here's the trick. Blend the dark shade slightly above your natural crease, so it's visible when your eyes are open. Mind-blowing, right? This technique helps to create depth and dimension, making your eyes look more defined and dramatic. Eyeliner time. Thin lines are the way to go. Thick liner can make your eyes look smaller. A thin line enhances your eyes without overpowering them. Start thin at the inner corner, and you can go a bit bolder at the outer edge. And don't forget a little wing. It's like a mini lift for your eyes. The winged liner can help elongate your eyes, giving them a more lifted and youthful appearance. Mascara. It's a game changer. But here's a pro tip. Focus on the top lashes, especially the outer corners. This draws attention upwards and opens up your eyes. This will give you that gorgeous, wide-eyed look. And if you're feeling extra, false lashes can add that dramatic flair perfect for any glamorous event. Choose lashes that are longer at the outer corners for an even more dramatic effect. Lastly, don't forget your brows. They frame your face and can really help lift the entire eye area. Well-groomed brows can make a huge difference in your overall look. Keep them well-groomed and filled in just right. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas and create a defined shape that complements your eyes. And voila! You're now equipped to tackle hooded eye makeup like a pro. Experiment, have fun, and remember, makeup is about expressing your unique self. Don't be afraid to try new looks and techniques. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your makeup skills. Before you go, hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe for more beauty hacks every week. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share more tips and tricks with you. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Share your hooded eye looks with me in the comments below. I can't wait to see how stunning you all look. Catch you next time. Outro music fades out.